How many airplanes have you seen so far? You might be familiar with fuel-powered jets, but what if we told you that fully electric-powered jets are out there and are about to take over the world of aviation? One of them is the Rolls-Royce plane Spirit of Innovation, and believe it or not, it's the fastest all-electric plane as of date. Before we dive in, make sure you don't miss our next video and subscribe with the button down below. Today, we're talking about the fastest all-electric plane, the Rolls-Royce Spirit of Innovation, a jet that you should be watching out for because it might just zoom past you. Rolls-Royce announcement and general info. Rolls-Royce just revealed that the all-electric aircraft Spirit of Innovation has officially become the fastest aircraft powered by an electric motor. The airplane earned the honor by breaking 2 world records that were independently verified. Over 3 kilometers, the aircraft reached a high speed of 555.9 kilometers per hour, breaking the previous record by 213.4 kilometers per hour. Further trials at the UK Ministry of Defence's Boscombe Down experimental aircraft testing flight resulted in a speed of 532.1 kilometers per hour over 15 kilometers, which is 292.8 kilometers per hour faster than the previous record. The Fédération Aéronautique Internationale, or FAI, the World Air Sports Federation that supervises and verifies world aeronautical and astronautical papers, has officially certified both records. During its record-breaking flights, the aircraft, which is part of the UK government-backed ACCEL, or Accelerating the Electrification of Flight program, reached a top speed of 623 kilometers per hour, making it the world's fastest all-electric vehicle. Achieving the all-electric world speed record is a tremendous success for the ACCEL team and Rolls-Royce, said Warren East, CEO of Rolls-Royce. A feat for the aviation world indeed. A brief history of the plane Spirit of Innovation. Rolls-Royce set out 3 years ago to construct the world's fastest electric aircraft, collaborating with 2 British companies, Daimler-owned automotive supplier YASA and aeronautical engineering startup Electroflight. But it actually had a whole other goal in mind, making inroads into the busy market for electric aircraft. Today, the 115-year-old British engineering firm is making strides towards that goal. The company, which provides jet engines for the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus 350, is under contract to deliver 2 electric aviation propulsion systems in the near future. One for an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle that will carry up to 4 passengers in 2024, and another for a small commuter plane with Nordic regional airline Widerøe. Our focus at the moment is on urban air mobility, the eVTOL market with 4 to 6 passengers where we see viable product around 2025 and 2026. Spirit of Innovation head Matthew Parr told Fortune. There's a market just behind that we call regional air mobility that would be fixed-wing aircraft with 9 to 19 seats and within that range. We believe you could look at all-electric and hybrid electric aircraft in 2028 to 2030. Exterior and measurements. The plane has a wingspan of 24 feet and a length of 25 feet. It's powered by 3 high-power density electric motors, driving a single 3-blade propeller rotating at 2,400 revolutions per minute. The Spirit of Innovation is based on the carbon fiber Sharp Nemesis NXT Racer, a familiar name in air racing, which cruises at 522 kilometers per hour with a 350 horsepower piston engine, but can exceed 657 kilometers per hour with a highly tuned engine. Battery pack. Working with electric motor manufacturer YASA and aviation startup Electroflight, this E-plane was created from the onset with the goal of breaking world records and bringing zero-emissions air travel one step closer to general adoption. The battery's constant power output will be 373 kilowatts with a maximum power output of 750 kilowatts, similar to a Formula E racer. Rolls-Royce previously stated that the Spirit of Innovation's 400 kilowatts per hour electric powertrain is supported by the most power-dense battery pack ever manufactured for an airplane. With 6,480 battery cells, enough power to charge 7,500 smartphones. ACCEL is a true achievement of design and engineering, with that many battery cells on board, allowing for a range of 320 kilometers. The world's most energy-dense flying battery pack also includes a custom cooling system to regulate heat as well as enough energy to power 250 houses. Imagine how powerful and innovative that electric power charge must be, judging from the numbers. Scary, but exciting. Powertrain and Motors. ACCEL's all-electric powertrain, which is based on Rolls-Royce's expertise in aviation design and safety, is critical to attaining 90% energy efficiency and zero-emission flying. Formula One race cars, on the other hand, only have a maximum efficiency of 50%. Accel will employ 3 750R lightweight E-motors manufactured by YASA. These power-dense motors, when combined, will produce more than 500 horsepower to the propeller at a lower RPM than a typical airplane, resulting in better stability and less noise. Controls and other systems. This all-electric racer has a cutting-edge control system that gives the pilot all the information he or she needs to fly safely and swiftly. The control hardware, comprising the avionics bay and auxiliary system, is housed in Accel's avionics bay. The engine control unit, power distribution unit, and flight sensors are all part of the system. There's also an active thermal management system that includes cooling radiators and cooling pumps. Regulating the temperature of the battery pack is one of the engineers' most difficult design difficulties, but they have mastered it in the spirit of innovation. The Rolls-Royce plane Spirit of Innovation is the latest addition to record-breaking planes in the world of aviation. Its speed is top-notch, and the effort and work that is taken into consideration in making this plane true are just astounding. From its speed to its efficiency, one can never doubt that the Spirit of Innovation is something of a legend in aviation. Kudos to that. Okay, now it's your turn. Would you like to test the Spirit of Innovation one day? Or would you even buy an electric-powered private jet one day? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and check out our next video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.